You are very welcome, and thank you for coming here to Morocco.
Thank you.
We hope you like our culture. It's a different culture to yours, but it's no less good, no better than yours. It's just different. Eh?
Yes.
Yes. It's
we're all people.
Yes, we're all human beings.
Yes.
Eh? It's also part from our hospitality. Meanwhile, giving you little idea about our culture. What you saw downstairs, it's our culture.
Okay.
We invite you for a mint tea. Huh?
Sure.
So you like it with sugar?
Sure, yeah, why not?
Yes,
Okay,
Morocco, they drink tea, tradition with sugar.
So if you are done from here, we can go downstairs.
Great.
والله لا تفرق عندي ما طلعشي السبة جوارتها
فيها
هي دابا نبقاو حنا عند الباب واقفين نمشي وجهي 30 درهم لا انا غير يدفع لي خدمة ما تاعيش والو Sorry because I go slowly because my eyes.
Of course, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for helping me there.